Welcome to my channel, Prince Hamdan fan. The shocking reality of who has my heart forever. They ask me why I smile in silence, why my eyes drift to a place unseen. They don't know the storm inside me. They don't know where my soul has been. Not all loves are made for headlines. Not all hearts speak out loud. Some truth live behind curtains, while others vanish in the crowd. But here I stand, bare and broken, yet stranger than I have ever been, because the one who holds my heart forever lives not in the world but deep within. She wasn't wrapped in diamonds, not dressed in silk or gold, but her soul lit fires in darkness, and her words were brave and bold. She didn't come with promises. She came with raw and truth. She held me like a secret, yet loved me like our youth. She came when the world had failed me, when my castle walls were thin. She walked right past the riches and whispered, "Let me in." She never asked for titles, never sought to be a queen. Yet every time she looked at me, she ruled every silent scene. The shocking truth, the whispered name, the world will never guess. For love this deep is hidden behind our guarded eyes. I tried to push her gently, said, "You deserve a clearer sky." But she held my trembling hands and answered with a sigh. Even kings cry in silence. Every royal feels the rain. But I will love you fiercely, even if the world brings pain. They talk of love like fairy tales, with ending tight in gold, but ours is carved in shadow, in stories never told. She knows my hidden corners, the wounds I never named. She kissed the cracks I carry and never asked for fame. So when you ask me who she is, I smile but never speak, because the world might steal her beauty but never touch what's unique. She loved me when I was silent, when I was shattered and ashamed. She found poetry in my silence and strength I never claimed. She has my heart forever. That's the truth. I softly scream, not in photos, not in pages, but in every quiet dream. They think love must be witnessed to make it real and strong, but are grew in a secret place, like a rare forbidden song. She doesn't wear my ring yacht, not stand at royal gates, but in kingdom of my heartbeat. She rules and dominates. I remember her quiet laughter, like music through the breeze. She didn't beg to stay with me, yet never chose to leave. Her tears were soft confession of how deeply she had played, but she kept her pain in silence and loved me more instead. We danced in stolen minutes, held hand beneath the moon, and every time she walked away, my soul would hum her tune. So if one day I vanish and the world asks where I have gone, know that I am with the woman who holds my heart all alone. I may wear royal class, sit upon a gilded throne, but my soul lives in her whisper, in the place where where we are alone. She is the shocking reality, the truth I cannot hide. Though I walk this world in silence, she is always at my side. Not every love is shouted, not every truth is loud. Some dwell in sacred stillness, perform the judging crowd. But know this word and hear me. Though you never see her face, she is the keeper of my forever, my peace, my sacred place. You thought I would fall for fame and gold, for beauty and delight, but the one who has my heart forever walks softly in the night. She holds no royal title, no photograph, no name, but she is the only reason my heart still plays this game. So let them talk, let stories spread, let questions rise like sea. For in the quiet truth of love, she is forever part of me. This is the shocking story, the secret I know reveal that behind all smiles and riches, she is the love I always feel. Not even time can take her, not even fate can part, for she is not just in my memory, she is my every heart. Did this poem touch your soul? Please like, comments, and share. Thank you for watching my channel. Goodbye.